Hi.
Hola, chicas.
It's heaps late in the day. We've done absolutely nothing. We went out last night, so everyone was pretty hungover. But we went to this bongo drum night thing, and it was La Bomba. It was so much fun. It was really weird. Nothing I've ever done before, but it was a lot of fun. And then after it finishes, you get like 1 litre things of beer as well in like a litre cup. But after it finishes, they take all the drums and everyone through the street, like on a street party, and then they get to this one club and everyone goes there. So it was pretty good. So we all had a great night. But yeah, we haven't done anything today. We went and got a Subway.
And we're about to take a flight.
Yeah, and we're all packed up, ready to go, leaving everyone in the hostel to fly to Mendoza. So that's what we're going to do now.
Right.
No way. Yeah. That's crazy. What about if you're on like a mobility scooter and you're steaming?
Anything that's considered a mode of transport.
No way. What about skateboarding?
People have done it with eskies. They've done motorized.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah.
Made it. So far, so good. He just smiles. That's when you know he's okay. But I could be having a better day, but that's alright. We're going to Mendoza and I'm so excited. Wine, dine and sexy time.
So Hannah's discovered the nicest chocolate milk ever, and usually I hate milk in every other country. It's just not the same as home.
It's just very weird because it doesn't come with a straw, so you've got to like...
We just bought with the straw. Hannah can't find her money anywhere. Oh, I might get some Doritos, but I've got half a Subway in my bag.
I will be able to find my money, don't worry, Dad. It's just, not too sure where.
Dad. Hi,
well,
Chris.
I know he's going to be like, because he messaged me earlier and was like, oh, I just saw your getting to Buenos video. It looks like you guys are having trouble with money. Are you okay? And I was like, yes, Dad.
There's white Kinder Buenos as well. Because I showed them about the ATM and all the fees and everything like that. But yeah, so we're at the airport now. You can see you may not be able to see the airplane, but we're here. We've got 20 or 15 minutes till we board, and then we're going to be going.
It feels right.
What have we got here? Is it as good as it looks?
Yeah, it was actually pretty good. I didn't know the words. are here.
Gorilla with 1L 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155. 155.
So we have just arrived in the hostel. This is what the room looks like. The lady at reception didn't speak English, but I actually pretty much understood her in all Spanish. I think I can understand more when they're
speaking to you,
explaining something. When they're speaking to me in Spanish, I can understand it. But when when I'm trying to speak Spanish, it's not happening. But yeah, so we are in Mendoza. Hopefully we're going to do a wine tour tomorrow as well. That'll be fun. So we found a place for dinner. We're out. We're having burgers. So, cheers.
Oh, that froth is great.
That actually tastes quite nice. I don't even like beer. A soft blonde, and they give us peanuts as well, and we haven't had nuts in ages because it's so expensive.
This is a big trip. Knew it.
Or provolone burger, veggie burger, barbecue beef, or barbecue. Oh no, not barbecue, pulled pork or something.
Yeah. Oh fuck! He gave me some shitty fucking nuts. Look at these.
We finally found cider.
Oh jeez.